Hey, happy Friday. The market has just closed moments ago for the day and also for the week. And the market was down sharply. So if you're an investor in the stock market or in the real estate market, or in general, you just want to learn about investing, here's something that you should know on what happened. Well, first of all, today is the third Friday of the month. So it's the expiry days of all monthly option contracts. So typically, it's more volatile for all the underlying security. So that would also make the overall market a little bit more volatile. And for some of you who are in my advanced option strategy program, and I'm pretty confident that today is your payday. On the other hand, the market had baked in 25 basis point cuts in December. However, in an interview yesterday, Federal Reserve Chairman Jay Powell basically indicating that, well, it seems like inflation is under control, the economy is quite resilient, and unemployment rates and the labor markets are rather stable. So there seems to be no real rush or urgency in terms of another round of rate cuts. So it seems like the chance for a 25 basis point cut in December is lower, so the market react. According to Professor Jeremy Siegel from the Wharton School of Business, under a normalized interest rate structure, the 10-year T-bill yield should be about 100 to 150 basis points above the Fed fund rate. Currently, the Fed fund rate is at about 4.58%. So even though if the Fed cut another 100 basis points in the next 6 months, in other words, the 10-year should still be yielding between 4.5 to 5%. And today is sitting at 4.45%. So in other words, interest rates and fixed mortgage rates, which is based on bond yield, would remain high in the near future. And that's certainly a headwind for both the equity and real estate market. Finally, share price of pharmaceutical, life science, and biotechnology company were dropping even more today on the announcement by Donald Trump having Robert Kennedy Jr. to head up the Department of Health and Human Services. While RFK Jr. is pretty vocal on anti-vaccine, so investors are pretty much expecting some kind of reform in FDA and also on drug prices. So it's certainly a headwind for, the industry and the sector. So that's what happened. All right, that's it for this week. Hopefully this is helpful for everyone in terms of understanding what's going on and turning all those current affairs or events into useful information and actionable information when it comes to planning and decision on investing. All right, stay tuned if you want to learn more. Cheers.